Hi, I have a Kipor Sinemaster KGE 3000T generator that I've had for about 4 years, new, but has very few hours, maybe 8 to 10 hours. It starts and runs fine, however when I used it last, it has no 120 volt output, 12 volt is fine. Output indicator is green, and no other warning lights are on. Checked all wiring and connections and any fuses I can find. Is there a main breaker for 120 AC? Can't figure this one out.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, Chris. TKS.
After a long period of storage, generators often require to reflashed. Give me a moment to gather some info for you.
Yay, however it was fine and the next time I used it, 2 days later, it would, NT generate 120 AC.
Okay, I will be right back with you. I do not have the wiring info for that model. I will opt out of the question to allow another expert to assist you. Do not respond back until you hear from them, doing so will lock me back into the question and further delay your answer. Good luck. Hi and welcome. Please do not rate until all your questions are answered, that way you won't have to pay twice. Use reply to expert link. Thanks. Spanky. No or low AC output. You need to test inverter. There is no breaker. Disconnect the 6P connector from the inverter unit. Pull the recoil starter and measure the AC voltage between the white and black terminals. Voltage, 120 volts model, black, 30 volts white, 1 volt 230 volts / 240 volts model, black, 60 volts white, 1V. If your voltages are correct, then replace inverter. If not correct, wiring harness or connection problem, let me know how it goes or you need more info. Thanks. Spanky.
If I've got the right 6P connector, the one that connects into the rear of the converter, there is no voltage current when turned over. This is the 6P connector with 5 wires, 3 black and 2 white. Are you sure in your answer that if no current, check wiring?
I took it right out of manual. So yes, I'm sure, but I will double check and see if it gives any more info. You do have it switched in the run position while checking, correct? And is this a 120 or 230V? You can also check stator output. The stator output may be checked with the engine running. Disconnect the 6P connector from the inverter unit. Starting check voltage between pins 1 and 4, pins 2 and 4, and pins 1 and 2. There should be 280 to 330 volts AC. If one or more of the 3 tests fail, the problem is either a damaged wire harness or a defective alternator.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.